Hi everyone, Imran from Car Sound Security. We've just finished doing an installation on an Audi A5 2012. What we've done is the original screen, really tiny screen like this, was in this sort of bezel, which was mounted behind where the new screen is. So it's right behind here. So if you've got an Audi, you would understand the type of tiny screen you've got. So we've removed all that, and then all this panel here is new. All of this, new hazard switch and new screen as well. So what can the screen do? The screen's basically a tablet, so you can hotspot it with your phone, and you can download various apps on there. So go to Play Store and download various apps on there. You've got Google Maps, you've got navigation built in, you can browse the internet on there, you can mirror your phone as well. So there's loads of different variations you can do on here. We've put a reversing camera on here as well, so if we just knock it into reverse, you can see the camera. The picture might be a bit glary because the sunlight's reflecting it, but you've got your camera image there, your lines that move as well. When you knock it back out of park, then you can basically go back into the screen. There we go, it will just flick over now. And then you've got your home sort of Audi screen here as well. So you've got various applications as well. We're doing a lot of various types of cars with these type of upgrades. You know, people are preferring the bigger screen as you would do. So if you're interested in getting something like this done, then get in contact with us on the details below. And thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.